Sawadika! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our day 3. So for today guys, we booked a personal driver and our personal driver treat us to this free marble factory. Yeah. So I'll show you around what you can see here, and this one is for free. Actually, this is not included in our itinerary, but yeah, I'll show you around what you can see. Our second stop guys is just close to the first store. So we are now in the Marble Mountain. Yan. Okay. So this is our driver, and then we can book for you, right? Hi. So if you're coming here in Vietnam, book for him.
Yes.
And so guys, we're ready for our trail. They say it's 160 steps going up. And here's our ticket pala. It's 40,000 dong. Guys, it's so steep. So you need to do your outfit check. Shoes, comfortable. Just wear anything comfortable. So here's the entrance going to the cave. We're going into the cave now. Grabe. So there. That's it.
Hello everyone, welcome to...
Let's go inside now. Wow! So cool!
Cold pala dito.
Oh, cold breeze.
Tingnan yung cave nila, ano talaga siya? Like cave na hindi talaga ginawa.
Guys, there is a lift It's 15,000 dong up and down per person. But earlier we chose to walk. Now we're buying this Vietnamese. How much is
100 each.
100. But if buy 4
Last
discount how much?
360.
360,000 dong if you will buy 4 or a lot. So there will be discount. Dito kayo kay ate. So malapit siya dito sa sorry. Malapit siya dito sa counter. Dito yung stall niya. Welcome to the second cave. Actually, this is the first cave. guys again. So we are now on our second stop and we are in Coconut basket boat ride. So we will take that ride wherein we will be in a coconut. Yes, basically coconut. And I'll show it to you later. Okay? Guys, it's a coconut shaped boat. This is what we've seen sa TikTok. Medyo alto, sikat na siya dito. Here na guys. Andun, tigda-dalawa-dalawa. Oh, sorry. Big fish, yeah. What man, oy. Ay, there's no fish. They say there's a lot of fish in the sea, but this is not a sea. Look. Guys, so right now we just finished our boat riding and then it was a blast. Now we're going to have our lunch because our package comes with a lunch. And then trivia, they say ubusin nyo daw yung nasa table. You need to finish all the food so that they will know whether or not the food is yummy. Ubusin talaga. So now guys, we're just strolling around Hoi-An Market, Old Town. Actually, this is the Old Town. And then we're going to wait until 9 p.m. for the show or lantern show. That's the perfect time wherein you can take pictures of the lantern. We're waiting for the time, so right now while we are waiting, we're just going to walk around, stroll around. So we are planning to buy this traditional costume so that we will have a souvenir also. So guys, if you are hungry and if you want to chill after a long walk, please try to visit Hoi-An Coffee. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the owner said it's a Greek, no, it's a French word. It's like hagu, like that. So I will put the link here. I mean their Instagram, so that you can also have idea what's inside their coffee. So they offer their signature coconut coffee, wherein that coconut coffee is actually their main coffee delicacy. Yeah, here in Vietnam, Hoi-An, Vietnam specifically. So in this coffee, you can try or you can taste their coconut signature coffee, and it's very yummy. here's a trivia again. So while we were strolling earlier, we stopped by different shops, and what I observed is that if you ask for something from any shop, you need or you must buy something, or else they will get not angry, but they're a bit aggressive. I mean, the seller are a bit aggressive. Maybe that's their culture. So if you're going to stop or want to ask something, you should maybe look for it first, observe the thing first before you ask for it, or else you will really buy kasi magagalit sila sa inyo. Now, there's a cute place in here, guys. It's called the Art Gallery Hoi-An. Art. There's a lot of art paintings, guys. So nice. I don't know if it's free. My friends are changing money. This is actually a money changer slash art gallery. So there's the gallery. I'm not sure if it's for sale. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh no, I love it. Hello. I'll take a picture of it. So if you're a vegan, there's also a place for you here. Vegan. Veggie. I did not order anything. Grabe naman yung mga mata nila. Guys, there's also Starbucks here dito sa old night market nila. So ayun guys, still early. Oh, I'm eating a mango. How much is the mango?
80,000.
It's 80,000
Ay, 80,000.
dong. So right now, dito kami sa gilid. And ayun, nag-check kami ng mga restaurants kung saan kami kakain. Dami dito. Dito sa likod, tsaka sa front. So dito na rin kami magstay later for the lantern. Pero you can opt or you can choose to rent a boat para nasa boat kayo while you're enjoying the lantern. Guys, so if you want to wear a Vietnamese attire, you can rent here, rent or buy. Yeah. So
The name, what
the
is your
name of the
name?
store is.
Name the
This
store.
is the owner of the store. And then if you see her, this is the owner. That one. It's near to a school. There's a school. So it comes with two different materials, guys. That one and that one. So she said we can rent it for 200,000 dong, but there's a discount if we will rent a lot. Yeah, so she said we can rent it for 3 hours because the lantern celebration something is for 3 hours. I mean, yeah, 3 hours. We can enjoy it. And then we will give it back to her. But if you want to buy, you can buy it for 400,000 dong. Yeah. So later this evening at 9 p.m. you will enjoy, or we will enjoy the lantern. Lantern party. What's yung tawag ganyan sa Tanga din? Floating lantern. So you need to find this bridge. I will show you the bridge. If you get lost, just find this bridge. It's like this. So ayun, naki-blend in na kami. Honey, blending in.
Yes, guys. Sa anong oras natin ibabalik, Mike? Ay,
Mas mura pag 4.
So in here, guys, if you want to ride the boat for later's lantern festival something, you will buy the ticket here. So the more the merrier, because the more the cheaper it will be. So for 4 people, you will pay 200,000 Vietnamese dong. So in here, if you did not take your dinner yet, you can eat your dinner first and then you come back to enjoy the Lantern Festival. So right now, guys, we will have our dinner, and our dinner is in this restaurant. So this is the inside of this restaurant. So we're going to eat upstairs. Hello, guys. Rated SPG. Oh my god. Aray, kasi mahaba yung ano ko ba? Hala, it's so nice. Amin yung ano ngayon, guys. Wala pang tao. Maganda dito, guys. Recommended kasi riverfront siya. So you have the opportunity to enjoy the view. Woo. So now it's time for us to enjoy the lantern display. So earlier, right, we bought a ticket, and now it's time for us to ride the boat. We are so excited. So we're now going to climb on the candles for it, I think. So there's a line. First come, first serve, even if you have the ticket already. Guys, andito na po kami sa boat. So, trivia. We need to wear this one. Tingnan, army life jacket kasi daw may bayad daw sa police. So, ayun. But he said he will stop. I don't know where, but he will stop for us to take pictures and we can wear this off. Take this off. So to sum up, guys, that was the end of our day 3, and actually that was the end of our Vietnam trip. So this day was a very long day. We had a lot of adventures and activities done on the 3rd day. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog for today. So I will end this vlog by showing you this video that I got from our lantern experience. So that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video for today. So I bought this one for only 50,000 dong, and the original price is 150. So you need to ask for a discount, okay? That's a tip. Thank you. See you.